Yung kanin, hindi pa nababa.
Ha?
Rice na.
Hindi.
Turn off the light.
You... What you do?
The rice na turn off the light. Because not cooking.
I don't cook the rice. Who will cook rice?
There inside the room.
Nakain ko naman.
Hello guys, what's up guys? Have bread.
Yeah, brother.
Huh? This is my friend.
What friend?
Indonesia, Indonesian,
Ito ano,
Bengali.
nakuta ka. Dahil ako bakit pumalit pa talaga ako.
Where's your country? Sim Kamal, right?
Korea.
Kenya.
Kenya.
Ako sa Czechoslovakia.
Bukhari. Uganda.
Kumakain ako ng sesto.
Ah, you have put too much Ajinomoto?
Nomen.
No, don't have Ajinomoto dyan.
Nomen.
Na?
Kumakain ako, nagsabaw ako ng kain ng kape. Tarong-tarong sila Junior sa...
Bakit?
Sabi nila first time na yung mga cake.
Oh, yeah, put coffee. Gaga.
If you are poor in Philippines,
You make the soup.
because we are poor. Only this ko lang, Derek.
It's not about the very poor. Brother gets used to it. It's of this This is first time I
You will try.
Before also I will not know. Ano yung check niya pag may childhood. Gusto only fried rice, fried fish. And then fried rice.
Very good.
Very good. Tumulak yung laro, ha? Good, ha? Ha?
So, ask me only water. You know? Water and salt.
Beans, you know?
Only that's it. Sometimes we're using only cooking oil and
Good,
salt.
no, right?
Tastes like adobo.
Not only put beans good, ladang scramble ba? Ano pangalan niya? Tapos lang yan.
Saka sila no? Itlog.
Yung ano ba yung mga gulay-gulay na
Ano ba
ano?
yun? Vegetable.
Vegetable fruits, you put in the rice, right?
Yes.